Hey guys, this is Sheetal here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very interesting to show you all. It's the Zanflare LED table lamp. The specialty of this lamp is it has a touch sensitive control button so you can turn it on or off and also adjust the brightness using this touch button. It also has a built-in USB charging port so you can charge your phone or any other device with this USB port. Isn't that amazing? And this lamp also has a gooseneck, which means you can bend it in any angle and rotate the LED panel tube in 360 degrees. You can see here it's written no dazzling, no stroboscopic, which means the light doesn't flicker and it has a soft lighting. This lamp is eye friendly and it doesn't emit any harmful UV radiations. Now let's check out the other side of the box. We've got the specs over here. It's made of ABS and polystyrene material. It consumes a power of 8 watts and the LEDs produce a maximum output of 500 lumens. At the bottom we can see some more features of it. It has a touch switch, flexible neck, the lifespan of the LEDs is 50,000 hours, it has an anti-dazzle light filter and it consumes about 30% less power than a regular bulb. So that's it guys, it's a simple white box and there's nothing else written on the box. So let's unbox it. These are all the items that we've got in the box. Let me show you them one by one. We get a user manual. It has the complete information about the product and how to use it, so make sure to read it once. An AC power adapter. As all the table lamps run on AC power source, even this lamp requires a 12 volt 1 ampere power adapter to run. And finally, here is the Zanflare LED lamp. The model name is Headset X8. Let me first remove this cover and show you. So this is how the LED lamp looks. It's not that heavy, it just weighs about 590 grams and the build quality is really good. It's available only in white color and it looks very decent. You can see the Zanflare branding over here and this is the touch button using which you can turn the lamp on or off. At the back side we've got the USB port. This is the DC in port where you need to connect the power adapter, and this one's the LED indicator which turns red once you give the power supply. At the bottom we've got 4 rubber foot pads and also some info about the lamp. This is how the LED panel looks like. It produces a maximum output of 500 lumens and the color temperature is somewhere between 3750 to 4250 kelvins. Okay guys, now I'll connect it to the AC power adapter and show you how it works. So I've connected it and this is how it looks. It has a minimalistic design and looks very decent when you place it on your desk. It's made of ABS and polystyrene material and the build quality of it is really nice. As I've already said you that it has a gooseneck, you can see here guys the neck of the lamp and also the LED panel can rotate in 360 degrees. Here's the LED panel. It consumes 8 watts of power and produces an output of 500 lumens and the lifespan of these LEDs is about 50,000 hours. Now let me turn it on and show you. For that you just have to touch this button and that's it. Your lamp is on. To change the brightness you just have to long press this touch button and as you can see here the brightness is changing. Isn't that simple? Now let me tell you about the LEDs on this lamp. There are a total of 18 LEDs and the company didn't mention the exact color temperature. It's somewhere around 3750 to 4250 kelvins. So from this range I can say the LEDs are towards the warmer side and also warm LEDs are much comfortable for reading. It produces an output of 500 lumens and this lamp is perfect for reading for a long time. It feels really pleasant to eyes, it's flicker free and doesn't produce any harmful UV radiations. So it's completely eye friendly and this lamp also saves up to 30% more power than a regular light bulb. As I've already told you, we can charge phone or any other device using this 5 volt 1 ampere USB port. Let me connect it to my phone and show you. You can see here my phone is charging. So that was my video on the Zanflare LED desk lamp. The build quality is really good, it looks decent and the design is also simple and elegant. The light is very comfortable while reading, this lamp is really good and the brightness is also enough for a desk. The only thing I felt is it's a bit expensive. It costs about 2453 rupees, but if the price range would be around 1200 to 1500, it would be reasonable and very nice. I'll leave a link to this Zanflare LED desk lamp in the description box below. So that's it for today guys. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. See you in my next one.